A car drives over the top of a hill that has a radius of 42 meters. What maximum speed can the car have without flying off the road at the top of the hill? Let's draw and visualize what's happening here. We have a hill of radius 42 meters, and we have a car moving with some velocity in this direction. And we're trying to find out what maximum speed the car can move in this direction without losing contact with the road. So in order to do that, two forces have to be balanced. One is the force normal, which is the counter to the force that is the weight of the car. So the weight of the car is nothing but the mass of the car times its acceleration due to gravity. So that's the same as the force normal, because those two balance each other. The weight acts in this direction, going towards the center, and the force normal acts to balance it in the upward direction. So that's the mass of the car times the acceleration due to gravity. But there's another force, the force of centripetal acceleration times the mass of the car, which is acting towards the center if we consider this hill to be part of a circle of radius 42 meters. That force is equal to the mass of the car times its centripetal acceleration. So these two forces need to be equal to each other in order for the car not to lose contact with the road. If the car increases its velocity, then it would lose contact with the road. So we are setting these two forces equal to each other. That is the force due to the centripetal acceleration of the car and the force normal. These two need to be balanced. So the mass of the car times centripetal acceleration must equal to the mass of the car times acceleration due to gravity. We know that centripetal acceleration is v squared over r, and we know, we'll just put those two values here. We know the masses of the car can cancel now, and now we can find our velocity through algebra as the square root of the radius times acceleration due to gravity. So our radius is 42 meters, and our acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. So using our calculator, the value we arrive at is 42 times 9.8 divided by, so our velocity is approximately 20 meters per second. So the car can move in this direction with a velocity of 20 meters per second without losing contact with the road and flying off the top of that hill.